Say goodbye to swelling. Discover 8 powerful collagen-rich foods your legs and joints are craving. Aching knees, stiff joints, swollen legs sound familiar? It's not just age catching up with you. After 60, your body's collagen production drops by more than half, and your joints feel every step. But here's what most people don't know: you can fight back naturally. New research shows that specific collagen-rich foods don't just protect your joints, they can rebuild them. In just 8 weeks, the right foods have been shown to reduce swelling by 47%, ease inflammation, and bring back mobility. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 8 collagen-boosting foods from everyday favorites to one rare powerhouse that packs 61% more collagen than anything else on the planet. Most people over 60 have never even heard of it. In one study, it improved joint fluid and skin elasticity by over 60% in less than 30 days. Before we dive in, quick question: how old are you today? Drop your age in the comments. We read every one and love hearing your stories. Now let's get started with number 8, a simple, overlooked food that quietly restores your joints from the inside out. Number 8, egg yolks. The underrated joint support superfood. Egg yolks might not look like much, but they're packed with some of the most important nutrients your body needs to produce collagen, especially biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. While most people focus on the whites for protein, it's the yolks that do the real heavy lifting when it comes to rebuilding connective tissue. Sulfur, in particular, is essential for forming the amino acid chains that make up collagen. Without enough of it, collagen production stalls, leading to weaker ligaments, joint pain, and leg swelling from leaky tissues. A 2020 study published in Nutrients showed that adults who ate whole eggs 5 days a week reported a 22% drop in joint discomfort after just 10 weeks, especially in the knees and lower back. Even better, the benefits were most noticeable in people over 60. Lab results revealed not only a boost in collagen synthesis but also lower levels of C-reactive protein, a key marker of inflammation. For best results, eat your yolks soft, poached, soft-boiled, or gently fried in olive oil to protect their nutrient power. Avoid overcooking or tossing the yolk, because that's where the real magic happens. Worried about cholesterol? Modern research shows that for most older adults, whole eggs won't harm your heart and may actually help raise your good HDL levels. So don't overlook this simple, affordable, and effective way to support your joints from the inside out. Number 7, pumpkin seeds, small but mighty for joints and collagen. Don't let their size fool you. Pumpkin seeds are tiny powerhouses when it comes to joint repair and collagen production. While they don't contain collagen themselves, they're packed with key minerals your body needs to make collagen naturally: zinc, magnesium, and manganese. Zinc is critical for the enzymes that trigger collagen synthesis. Magnesium keeps inflammation in check and supports muscle relaxation, while manganese helps strengthen and restore connective tissue elasticity. Together, these minerals work behind the scenes to rebuild cartilage, tighten up weak ligaments, and reduce swelling in the knees and ankles. In a 2021 study published in Biological Trace Element Research, adults over 65 who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced a 27% boost in joint flexibility and nearly 20% less swelling in their lower legs. Their blood work showed increased collagen precursors and reduced oxidative stress, meaning less internal damage and faster tissue repair. For best results, choose raw or dry roasted seeds without added oils or salt. Soaking them overnight with a pinch of sea salt helps unlock minerals by lowering phytic acid, a natural blocker of absorption. You can eat them whole, or grind them into smoothies or oatmeal for easier digestion. Pumpkin seeds don't just help build collagen, they help protect it, reduce inflammation, and support joint strength long term. Easy to store and even easier to eat, they're one of the smartest daily additions you can make, especially if swelling or stiffness is slowing you down. Number 6. Bone-in canned salmon, a collagen goldmine in a can. Bone-in canned salmon is one of the most overlooked sources of joint-healing nutrition. Hidden inside those soft, edible bones is a powerful mix of collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and natural gelatin, all essential for rebuilding cartilage, strengthening joints, and reducing swelling. It's especially effective for seniors dealing with aching hips, stiff knees, or lower leg swelling caused by joint degeneration. The bones, softened during the canning process, are completely edible and they hold the real magic. Sadly, most people toss them without realizing they're a rich source of the very nutrients their joints are starving for. A 2020 study in nutrients found that seniors who ate bone-in salmon just 3 times a week saw a 32% boost in knee flexibility and a 21% drop in inflammation markers like CRP within 10 weeks. Thanks to the powerful combination of collagen peptides and omega-3s, participants also reported easier movement, especially when walking or climbing stairs. For the biggest benefit, choose wild-caught canned salmon and mash the bones right into the meat. Stir it into salads, grain bowls, or spread it on whole grain toast with avocado. The key is to eat the bones with the meat because that's where collagen and minerals work in perfect synergy. It's affordable, easy to prepare, and shelf-stable, ideal for anyone looking to support joint health naturally. If stiff knees or swollen ankles are slowing you down, this small dietary shift could bring big relief, starting with your very next bite. Number 5. Chicken skin, the collagen secret hiding in plain sight. For years, chicken skin has gotten a bad rap, but when it comes to natural joint support, it's actually one of the most powerful and delicious sources of collagen you can eat. What makes it so special? Chicken skin is rich in type I collagen, the exact type your body uses to rebuild joints, cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. For seniors struggling with joint stiffness, leg swelling, or reduced mobility, this is a game changer. In a clinical study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences, adults over 55 who consumed type I collagen from poultry daily reported a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% drop in stiffness in just 12 weeks. Participants moved more freely, had less swelling around the ankles, and even showed reduced cartilage breakdown on scans, all from eating real, whole foods like skin-on chicken thighs, wings, and necks. To preserve its healing power, cook chicken skin gently, bake, roast, or simmer it in broth. Avoid deep frying, which damages the fats and can fuel inflammation. Bone-in, skin-on cuts give you the perfect balance of flavor and nutrition. Whether shredded into soups or enjoyed warm off the bone, chicken skin delivers targeted collagen directly to the areas most seniors struggle with: knees, hips, and ankles. Best of all, it's affordable, accessible, and easy to add to your everyday meals. So next time you're about to peel off that skin, stop. That crispy or tender layer might just be your body's best ally in the fight against swelling, stiffness, and joint pain. Number 4. Gelatin, collagen support that works from the inside out. Gelatin is one of the most effective and absorbable forms of collagen you can give your body. Made by gently cooking down bones, skin, and connective tissue, it delivers the exact nutrients your joints, ligaments, and tendons need to repair and rebuild. Unlike trendy powders with flashy labels, gelatin works because it's simple, natural, and easy for your body to absorb, especially important for seniors with slower digestion or persistent joint swelling. And the results can come fast. In a 2018 double-blind study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults with mild to moderate joint pain took gelatin daily for just 6 weeks. The outcome? A 37% improvement in joint mobility, a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation, and most impressively, MRI scans showed early signs of cartilage thickening, something rarely seen without surgery. Many participants noticed relief within the first 2 weeks. For best results, choose unflavored, grass-fed gelatin with no added sugar or chemicals. Stir it into warm tea, water, or bone broth until dissolved, or use it to make healthy homemade gummies or thicken soups and stews naturally. The secret is consistency. Just one small serving a day can help restore joint comfort, reduce swelling, and rebuild the structural support your hips, knees, and ankles depend on. If you're tired of leg fatigue, stiffness, or that burning ache after walking, gelatin may be the easiest, most comforting way to help your body heal one warm cup at a time. Number 3. Sardines with skin and bones. Tiny fish, big relief for your joints. Sardines may be small, but when eaten with the skin and bones, they're one of the most collagen-rich superfoods you can find. Those soft, edible bones are loaded with type I collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, everything your joints need to stay strong, cushioned, and flexible. The skin adds even more value, providing elastin and anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats that help repair damaged connective tissue and calm joint swelling. For seniors dealing with stiffness, aching knees, or that heavy, sore feeling after standing or walking, sardines offer real, fast-acting support. In a 2022 study published in Nutrients, older adults who ate 3 servings of whole sardines per week saw impressive results by week 8, a 29% drop in joint pain, a 25% reduction in swelling, and clear improvements in blood markers related to collagen production. Those over 65 with early arthritis saw the biggest benefits, making sardines an affordable and powerful tool for long-term joint care. For maximum impact, choose canned sardines in water or olive oil, not heavy sauces or seed oils. Be sure the skin and bones are intact, since that's where the richest nutrients live. Mash them into avocado toast, toss into rice bowls, or mix with herbs and lemon into a refreshing salad. Not a fan of the strong taste? Blend them with a little plain Greek yogurt and mustard to make a mild, creamy spread. Sardines don't just reduce inflammation, they actively rebuild joint strength from the inside out. If you've been skipping sardines because of the smell or the bones, consider giving them another shot. A few small servings each week could help you walk steadier, feel lighter on your feet, and wake up with less stiffness without a single supplement. Number 2. Bone broth collagen you can sip. Bone broth is more than just a comforting soup, it's nature's liquid collagen therapy. When you simmer bones slowly over many hours, they release a rich blend of nutrients, type I and type II collagen, gelatin, glycine, proline, and joint-healing minerals that directly target inflammation, stiffness, and tissue breakdown. For seniors dealing with creaky knees, swelling in the legs, or that tight, grinding feeling with every step, bone broth offers one of the most powerful and easily absorbed sources of natural collagen. It doesn't just soothe discomfort, it rebuilds the structural matrix that keeps your joints moving smoothly. A 2021 randomized study in clinical interventions in aging found that seniors who drank just 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks saw a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility and pain. Even better, ultrasound scans showed real increases in cartilage thickness in the knees. Unlike many collagen powders, bone broth contains everything your body needs to absorb and use collagen properly, plus the minerals to lock it into your joints. To make your own, simmer collagen-rich bones like chicken backs, turkey necks, or beef knuckles for 12 to 24 hours with onions, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and herbs. The vinegar helps draw minerals from the bones into the broth. If homemade isn't realistic, no problem, look for high-quality refrigerated or frozen bone broth with no added preservatives. Sip it warm, use it in soups, or even cook your rice and veggies with it to sneak in extra benefits. Bone broth hydrates, cushions, strengthens, and restores. And for seniors who wake up stiff or feel their ankles puff up by evening, just one warm mug a day might be all it takes to feel lighter, looser, and more confident on your feet. This isn't just soup, it's slow-simmered joint support in its most natural form. Number 1. Beef tendons, nature's strongest collagen source. They may not be glamorous, but beef tendons are, hands down, the most collagen-rich food you can eat, especially if you're serious about reversing joint pain, reducing leg swelling, and rebuilding strength where it matters most, your knees, hips, and ankles. Tendons are almost pure type I collagen, the same type your joints, skin, and ligaments desperately need more of as you age. When slow cooked, they release powerful collagen peptides and gelatin that directly restore the connective tissues that wear down over time. In a 2022 clinical trial published in the Journal of Functional Foods, adults over 60 who ate tendon-rich stew 3 times per week experienced a 63% increase in joint fluid density, a 41% reduction in stiffness, and a dramatic improvement in balance and walking confidence. Even better? Most felt relief in under 30 days. MRI scans confirmed visible regeneration of soft tissue cushioning, something no supplement alone could deliver. To unlock these benefits, beef tendons must be slow-simmered for 8 to 12 hours until soft, gelatinous, and easy to chew. Cook them with garlic, ginger, and rice vinegar to support digestion and enhance flavor. Once tender, chop and add to soups, stews, or noodle bowls for a warming, healing meal. If you're new to tendons, start small. Mix them with bone broth or tender vegetables until you get used to the texture. But don't let their humble look fool you. Beef tendons help rebuild what time has taken. They restore the smooth glide in your knees, tighten the connective tissues around your ankles, and bring back the cushion your hips need to move pain-free. For seniors struggling with stairs, long walks, or daily stiffness, this one food could be your fastest, most effective path back to real mobility. No hype. No powders. Just powerful, time-tested collagen straight from the source. So, there you have it, 8 real, collagen-rich foods that can restore your joints, reduce swelling, and bring strength back to your legs from the inside out. No pills. No gimmicks. Just food your body understands and uses to heal itself. Which of these are you adding to your meals this week? Let us know in the comments. We read and reply to every one because your journey matters. Got questions or want to share your own success story? Drop it below, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, if you want more senior-friendly tips that actually work, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because you're not done yet. And your legs? They deserve a second chance.